In this video, I'm going to show you my process of drawing eyes. But first, let's get a reference image from Google. Now we start the outlines. You can use any method, but I'm using freehand method as I have practice of drawing it this way. The outline is complete. You always want to remember that the distance between two eyes is equal to the length of one eye and the eyes are parallel to each other. Now it's time for everyone's favorite part, coloring. While coloring, I start off with the pupil. Don't forget to leave space for highlights as highlights will make your drawing look more realistic. While coloring the iris, you have to apply less pressure and then eventually increase the pressure as you go further. Now for the rest of the eye, color it with tones of grey as it's never really white. Now it's time to draw the skin around the eye. I cannot really explain how to draw the skin in this video as it is a separate topic and will take a different video. But just remember to draw the skin first and then the eyelashes to give them a 3D look. The eye is finally ready. I hope you enjoyed the reveal.